your voice sounds like a wet cardboard box, it's not the mic, it's your EQ. Welcome to the Mix Clinic. Today I'm going to show you the tiny EQ moves to make a cheap mic sound clean. Now that we're in Audacity with the piece of audio that we removed the background noise from in the previous video, we're going to add some equalization. First of all, click on this box over here to make sure it's highlighted, then go up to Effect, EQ and Filters, and we're going to add a high pass filter. Set this to around 80 for lower voices or 100 if you have a higher voice. Our roll off is going to stay consistent at 12 decibels. Apply that, and that will remove any rumble from your audio. Next, we're going to go back up to Effect, go to EQ and Filters again, and add a filter curve EQ. In our filter curve EQ, we're going to put a mark around 200 and 300, and then drop the middle. You aren't going to want this any lower than -6 dB. At a point right here at around 2500 Hertz, and then at 3000, we'll add another point and raise it a little bit. You don't want it up by a lot. 3 decibels would probably be the top end for this, so we're going to go right around here. That will add a tiny bit more clarity to your voice. And that is how you do extremely basic EQ in 3 simple steps. If you want a full in-depth video on equalization, let me know in the comments down below. And if this helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Next time, we're going to be looking at adding compression and a limiter. The video for that is right here. I'll see you there.